alam nyo to, pwede rin kayong kumanta. This is your afternoon, this is your day. Check this out.
Minsan, sabi niya sa akin, sandali na lang. Akala ko naman ay sigurado na ako. Handa kong tanggapin ang kanyang oo. Bigla na lang nagbago ang isip niya. Di ko akalain na ganun pa na siya. Inaasan niya lang ako. Bitin na bitin ako. Hindi ko na alam kung makakaya ko pa. Di bale na lang kaya. Ako pa ba kaya ang nasa puso niya? Di bale na lang kaya. Ngunit mahal ko siya. Di bale na lang. Di bale na lang. Di bale na lang. Ngayon, araw-araw lumipas ang panahon. Kalimutan ko siya'y malayo sa isip ko. Di kaya pinaikot niya lang ako. Bigla na naman nagbago ang isip niya. Pagkakataon ko nang mapasagot ko siya. Ang sinabi ko'y di mabili. Baka mamaya muli. You sing it! Hindi ko na alam kung makakaya ko pa. Di bale na lang kaya.
Oh yeah.
Ako pa ba kaya ang nasa puso niya? Di bale na lang kaya. Ngunit mahal ko siya. Di bale na lang. Di bale na lang. Bakit ka naman yan? Ano pa ba kaya paraan? Pero kung kailangan mo naman ako, agad akong tumatakbo. Yeah, yeah. Whoa, 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 yeah. Woo! Di bale na lang, di bale na lang, di bale na lang. Di bale na lang kaya. Di bale na lang, di bale na lang. Di bale na lang, di bale na lang, di bale na lang. Minsan, sabi niya sa akin, sandali na lang. Akala ko naman ay sigurado na ako. Bitin na bitin ako. Teachers, you sing it. Come on. Hindi ko na alam kung makakaya mo pa. Di bale na lang kaya. Di bale na lang. Ako pa ba kaya ang nasa puso niya? Di bale na lang kaya. Ngunit mahal ko siya. Mahal ko siya. Di bale na lang. Hindi ko na alam kung makakaya ko ba. Di bale na lang kaya. Ako pa ba kaya ang nasa puso niya? Di bale na lang kaya. Mahal ko siya. Di bale na lang. 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 Ho, 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 ho.
Excuse me. Did you really think na aakit ako sa isang entablado na napakalaki at isa lang ang kakantahin ko? I don't think so. Kaso, alam ko kasi mga teachers, mga sobrang disiplinado ang mga yun eh. At alam ko rin na baka strict ang parents nyo, At kailangan nyo nang umuwi dahil bukas may pasok. Wala. Oh, baka kayo-kayo lang ang gumagawa niyan, ha? Alam nyo, mga teachers, wag sana po kayong mahawa sa mga katulad kong mga estudyante. Dahil nung nasa grade school at high school ako, hindi ko lang maaring maikwento sa inyo ang mga ginawa ko bilang isang estudyante. But I will tell you, I was in the top 10 list. The top 10 of the pinakamatigas na ulo ng mga estudyante sa Lasal Green Hills, ha? Halos sumusuko na yung mga teachers sa akin. But the real reason why I'm here tonight, this afternoon, is because if there's one thing that has never changed sa mga napansin ko sa mga teachers mula nung grade school pa ako at high school, pati college, ay yung passion that you have to teach the people who want to learn. Alam nyo po, kasi nasa bahagi rin ako. Actually, I am a part of UNICEF, being the National Ambassador for the Philippines. At nung sinabi sa akin, this was supposed to be my day of my break kasi wala kaming ASAP na live today. So I said, sige, magpapahinga muna ako. Pero binigyan ako ng text ng misis ko at sabi niya, Gary, how would you like to perform for 15,000 teachers from all over the Philippines? To all the teachers who were here, I'd like to share with you something. It is something that I have practiced with my own children. It is written kasi, when you teach the young in the ways that he or she should go, when they grow up, they will not depart from that. Hindi ko sinasabi na magiging perfect ang mga kabataan ngayon dahil alam naman natin na kung ano yung ino-offer ng mundo para sa kanila, whether in the form of technology, through cell phone, through internet and all that, it's unlimited. It's many times ay hindi na nag-guide ng tama yung mga kabataan ngayon. And that's where all of you come in. Nais ko lang sabihin na yung mga nasa tuktok, yes, you. Hindi, kasi usually pag may concert dito, ang mga ilaw na yan ay nakasara. But because they kept it open, I can see up to the very top part right now. And I want to encourage all of you na it doesn't matter from what school or what barangay you're from. If you are teaching the young, you are teaching the greatest gift that God has given mankind. And that's the young. Alam ko na may ilan sa mga estudyante ang laging nagpaparinig sa mga teachers, basta ako gusto kong maging isang doktor paglaki ko. And that's a great, great, great dream na sana matupad nila. Lahat ng mga gusto maging doktor, sana matupad nila. However, sometimes ang problema ng isang katulad kong singer or celebrity ay ang akala ng mga karamihan ay I don't go through my own personal problems in life, but I do. And many times, people look at me and say, yes, meron kami mga pangarap, pero iba ang kayong mga nasa TV Kasi nakikita na kayo, kaya mas madali para sa inyo. Yung impact na ginagawa nyo sa buhay ng tao, mas matindi kaysa mga katulad namin, hindi nakikita sa TV. But I'd like to share with you that one thing I learned not too long ago was the fact that the human body ay may maliit na, I don't even know the name, okay? But it's a little nerve or tendon sa gitna ng dalawang tenga na pag naputol yon, we cannot stand up. We lose our sense of equilibrium. I'm speaking to everyone here right now because it doesn't matter how far you are or it doesn't matter if you're tired or sleepy. But I need to share this with you. Yung nerve na yon na nasa gitna sa loob, kahit si Manny Pacquiao po, pag naputulan siya ng nerve na yon, hindi siya makakatayo ng diretso. Yan yung nerve na kahit na nakapikit ng ating mga mata, alam natin kung kumakaliwa tayo o kumakanan. That's the nerve. But it's not seen by people. I don't even know the name, but I know the function. And I know the importance of it. Teachers, it doesn't matter whether you are known or unknown, whether you come from a school that is great or a school that is just beginning. It doesn't matter. It matters actually to me dahil napansin ko bilang UNICEF ambassador, napansin ko at nakita ko at na-experience ko na makita ang teachers na nagtuturo sa 3 levels sa isang classroom. Grade 4, 5, and 6 or 5, 6, and 7 in one classroom, one teacher for about 50 plus students. And that has always moved me. I will say something to you that is the truth. You may not be seen, but your function may be so important na kung ano ang ilalagay nyo sa puso ng mga kabataan or even students in general, young students, not so young students, you are planting good seed on good soil. And because of that, you will produce good fruit in time. Lastly, before I do this, I just want to share with you na when I was a student in LaSalle Green Hills, the teachers over there never gave up on me. You can hear me speak English, but that was one subject kung saan medyo tagilid talaga ang grado ko. And I will never forget yung isang English teacher ko na nagsabi sa akin, Gary, this is the grade you need to get in order to pass. My grade was 77 and I needed a 92 or something like that para makapasa. And he never gave up on me. So after the exams, he called me, Mr. Valenciano. Akala ko patay, wala na. This is it. He came up to me, hindi niya sinabi, hindi niya binanggit kung ano yung grado ko. All he said was, I knew, I told you you could do it. And I got a 94 or something like that. There's another incident. Isa sa mga teachers ko na nung grade school ako, he was the subject of lahat ng mga katuwaan namin bilang isang grade school student. Kasi iba talaga kasi yung itsura niya. So ako naman, lagi ko siyang ginagaya sa likod niya. Habang naglalakad siya, andun ako sa likod, ginagaya ko lahat ng mga ginagawa niya. So pinagtatawanan ako ng estudyante, pero my classmates were also laughing at him. Nung pumunta ako sa high school, I was taking up geometry. And I was also failing big time. This same teacher, na alam niya yung mga kalokohan na ginawa ko noon, tungkol sa kanya, nilapitan niya ako at sabi niya, I want to help you, Mr. Valenciano. Actually, yung boses niya, I want to help you, Mr. Valenciano. You come to me after class every day and I will teach you. That's if you want to learn, huh? Because I'm telling you, it's going to take a miracle for you to pass. And if you don't pass, you will repeat and you will see me again next year. You know, I took that seriously. Teachers, I'm sharing with you what I've never shared with other people before. But because there are 15,000 of you here, allow me to take this time to share with you why it's so important for me to be here today. This teacher spent time with me. Paulit-ulit niya akong tinuro na tinuruan ng ganun din. Yung mga the same equations, the same problem-solving equations na hindi ko talaga mag-get. But he kept repeating it until I got it. Until the point na sabi ko, alam ko na, sir! And he looked at me, sige sa exams, tignan natin kung talagang totoo yung sinasabi mo. To make a long story short, I passed that exam. And I didn't just pass it. Talagang I passed it with flying colors. Same thing. He never gave up on me. Today, because of some of those teachers, many of them were like that with me, at hindi pa ako kilala. I was just Gary Valenciano, ang isang batang kung ano-anong ginagawa. Pag may taste ako dito sa daliri ko, ginaganon ko sa mga teacher pa, tumatama. Tapos, saan nanggaling yun? Ako naman yung parang pasimple lang na, na hindi akong gumawa nun. But they never gave up on me. Today, I share this story with you because what you see here on stage right now, a lot of it has to do with the fact that there were people who never gave up on me, and those people were my teachers in school. So, alam ko rin na medyo madrama talaga ang mga buhay ninyo. Di ba? I can go one by one, and all of you will have a different story, but real stories. Kaya siguro ang mga teleserye nagiging talagang pumapatok talaga sa puso at kaluluwa ng bawat Pinoy, whether teacher, doctor, whatever, because the drama behind your lives is so real. This afternoon, total, humingi naman kayo ng more, I'd like to sing this one song for you, for all of you who go home at night and you have so much passion to teach because you love what you do, you love your students, knowing that there's not much in terms of finances or financial support behind it, but you still have the passion. So because I have the passion to share with you music, let me give you this one. Sa medyo makabagbag damdamin ng mga buhay ng iba sa inyo dito. I love you, teachers. I really do. That comes from the bottom of my heart. I've learned so much from you, and I will continue as a father, as a friend, as a brother, and as the UNICEF ambassador. I will continue to do my part because of what I've learned from you.
Hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan, hanggang matapos ang kailan pa man, ikaw ang siyang mamahalin at lagi nang sasambahin. Manalig kang di ka naluluhang giliw, at kung sadyang siya lang ang iyong mahal, asahan mong ako'y di hahadlang. Habang ikaw ay maligaya, ako'y maghihintay, maging hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Giliw ko, sadyang siya lang ang iyong mahal. Asahan mong ako'y di hahadlang. Habang ikaw ay maligaya, ako'y maghihintay, maging hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Maging hanggang sa dulo ng, maging hanggang sa dulo ng, maging hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan.
Teachers, rest assured na ang pagmamahal ko sa inyo ay aabot sa
Walang hanggan.
Do you have time? That is the question. Baka mamaya, the next thing I know, yung DepEd, nagsusulat na sa office ko, Mr. Valenciano. Alam mo, naging national holiday ang Lunes pagkatapos ng gathering nyo sa may arena dahil dineclare ng mga teachers na walang pasok. But if you have time, I can give you one more. All right. Teachers, I know that you have been teaching students for a very long time, but now it's my turn to teach you a little something. Is that okay with you? All right, now pay attention. Now, many of you here are familiar with that subject known as geography. I don't know if that is still familiar, but during my time, that was in geography. Now, today, my classmates have all problems with geography because what has gone up here, what was once here, has gone here. Geography, really, that's their problem. But I want to ask you a very serious question. Are you familiar with this place called Mandaluyong? Yes. Are you familiar with the place called San Juan? No, wait. I'm talking about San Juan in Puerto Rico. Well, let me tell you why. It's because my mother, yes, my mother, Airpats, my mother, she happens to be from this place known as San Juan in Puerto Rico. She is pure-blooded Puerto Rican. Are you familiar with Bruno Mars? When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing. Oh, you all are like music teachers, huh? Because you all know how to sing in tune. Many people like to sing, but they don't sing in tune. Anyway, I remember when I was a lot younger, because I know that many of you here look at me now, and maybe some of you are guessing, how old is this Mr. Valenciano? He's been doing this for 30 years. That's right, 30 years. You heard me right. Not tomorrow, but next year is my 30th year in the industry. See how good God is? I'm supposed to be dead by now. That's the truth. I'm really supposed to be dead. When a doctor tells your wife or your mother, Mr. Valenciano, from the day that your son or your husband has been diagnosed because of type 1 juvenile diabetes, he is given about 30 years of life on this planet. Well, I'm glad I'm still here, and I'm glad I can do what I do. Now, let me ask you. Hey, hello, pare. It's good. You stay right there. That's fine. I want you to know that because I am half from, the other half of me, one half is from Puerto Rico, the other half, do you know where it's from? It's from Camalig, Albay, in the Bicol region. I don't know how many of you here are from there. Are you from Albay? Oh, yes. I love going to Albay. Ever since I was this small, I used to go there to Albay all the time. Yeah, I like very much. But see, I speak like this because you think I can speak like this on television when I come out in ASAP 2012? No. I cannot even speak like this all the time when I'm on a big stage like this, in a big concert. But today, I get to share with you the music that runs through my veins. The music that is forever going to be a part of my blood. Because part of me is from Albay and the other half is from Puerto Rico. So are you ready? Can I share with you a little music from there? All right, now remember, if some of you here do not know where Puerto Rico is, it is that little itty-bitty teeny-weeny yellow polka dot bikini island. Somewhere out there in the, off the coast of Florida in the United States of America. All right now, how about the people up there? Are you okay? Now, look at the person beside you, okay? And say, hoy, gising. Because we're going to get to move a bit, just a little bit. And my last request, you see these gentlemen in yellow shirts here, they're like this. It says security. Their heart is going to because they hope that when I come back, if I go down, they want me to come back on this stage in one piece. Not in several pieces with the ear of Gary Valenciano there and the nose is over there and one leg is somewhere up there. No, I have to come back here in one piece. And please, my last request for all the teachers, please time your pictures correctly. Because I know the pictures will not end on that phone. They will end on Facebook. Now, I know some of you will take this opportunity and walk up to me and smile. Even the gentlemen will smile. But Gary Valenciano is going to sing. Can you imagine if I went down a while ago? Maging hanggang click sa click And I'm trying there to smile at you. That's not a very nice picture. But you can click away if you want. All right. Are you ready? Let me see you shake your hands like this. All right. Here is a little music from that little itty-bitty teeny polka dot bikini island known as Puerto Rico. And I hope that you enjoy it. Let's do this. Hey!
Man, it's a hot one, like 7 inches from the midday sun. I hear you whispering the words, you melt everyone, but you seem so cool. My muñequita, my Spanish Harlem Mona Lisa. You're my reason to step in my groove. And if you say this life ain't good enough, I would give my world to lift you up. I would change my life to better suit your mood. 'Cause you're so smooth.
Throw your hands up in the air. Hey!
Just like the ocean under the moon, it's the same as the emotion that I get from you. You got the kind of loving that can be so smooth, girl. Give me your heart, make it real.
Always forget about it.
Just like the ocean under the moon, it's the same as the emotion that I get from you. You got the kind of loving that can be so smooth, yeah. Give me your heart, make it real.
Or else forget about it.
Oye, ¿cómo va? Mi ritmo bueno pa' gozar. Mulata, oye, ¿cómo va? Mi ritmo bueno pa' gozar. Mulata.
Let me go this way.
In one piece now, in one piece. Let's go. Oye, ¿cómo va? Mi ritmo bueno pa' gozar. Mulata, oye, ¿cómo va? Mi ritmo bueno pa' gozar. Mulata. Everybody's got a thing, but some don't know how to handle it. Always reaching out in vain, just taking the things that's not one hand. Don't you worry about a thing. Don't you worry about a thing, mama. 'Cause I'll be standing on the side when you check it. When you get off your trip, don't you worry about a thing. Don't you worry about a thing. Don't you worry about a
One of the very first songs that I sang as a young boy. Check it out now. Para bailar la bamba, para bailar la bamba, se necesita un poquito de gracia, un poquito de gracia y otra cosita. Y arriba, y arriba, y arriba, y arriba, por ti seré, por ti I love you, teachers. God bless each and every one of you. Thank you. Next year uli, kasama ko naman yung pamilya ko. Sama-sama tayo ulit. Thank you.